How to create a pivot table in Excel. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Now, in order for us to get this done, I'm just going to go ahead and click this one right here and then click insert and then click the pivot table. Now, you have the recommended pivot table here, but if you want to start something new, go ahead and click this one and then click from table or range. After doing so, we're going to click new worksheet and then click OK. Alright, now that we are here, you have the pivot table fields here. You can just go ahead and put here anything that you want. Now, for example, what I'm going to do is try to find out who are the people working in different departments. So to do that, what I'm going to do is here on the rows, I'm going to go ahead and put the department at the top, and then the name is going to be below. So as you can see here, we have those people in finance department are the following. For the HR, these are the people. For the IT, marketing, and sales. Now, say for example, instead of sum of ID, I'm just going to go ahead and delete that one because I don't need that. And then for the sum of age instead, I'm going to click this one, and then I'm going to click value field settings because we are going to try to see what is the lowest or who is the youngest here. So click OK, and then you can see that the youngest person working in finance is 30 years of age. And then for the HR, the youngest is 29. For the IT, the youngest is 25. For the marketing, the youngest is 34. Now this time, instead of sum of salary, I'm going to try to find the average salary. So I'm going to click this one and then click sum of salary, click value field settings, and then click the average. Click OK, and then you can see that now we have the average salary of the particular people working in this department. Now, there are a lot more things that you can do here, but basically that is how you are going to create a pivot table here in Excel.